Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make coconut nougat. Start by toasting 2 cups shredded coconut until lightly golden and fragrant, then set aside. Next, combine 1 cup sugar and 1/2 cup corn syrup in a saucepan and heat gently. Whip egg whites until stiff peaks form and slowly pour hot syrup into the whites while whisking. Fold in coconut and let cool before cutting into pieces. Warm and steady is the trick when making nougat syrup. Combine sugar and corn syrup in a heavy saucepan and bring slowly to 250 degrees F, watching closely with a candy thermometer. Keep the sides clean and avoid unnecessary stirring to prevent crystals. Once the syrup reaches temperature, remove from heat and let it cool for a moment so it does not shock the egg whites when combined in the next step. Quick recommendation: if you are standing in the kitchen mixing nougat, you might appreciate durable socks that stay comfy through every step. Try Darn Tough for a lifetime warranty and excellent cushioning. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes like this. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a pair if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Assembling your coconut nougat is where it comes together and looks beautiful. Fold the toasted coconut into the whipped mixture carefully to keep air in the nougat. Line a pan with parchment and press the mixture evenly to your desired thickness, using a spatula to smooth the top. Allow the nougat to set at room temperature until firm, then slice into bars or squares and store in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.